Hello again. So I'm back at it doing some hydroponics, and as you know, you buy this one at Ikea, get 50, and then you soak them in a bucket here, and then I use this to point some holes in each of them. So what have I planted? This is the kale. It goes here. And then we have the Brassica Campetetris tatsoi here in this column. And then we have Oseum basilicum lemon in this column. And then again kale, another sort, half tall, in this column. And lastly but not least, we have some peppermint in this row. Then I just fill this with water, and the last piece I fill manually. Top it up. And now I fill it pretty much. So now we wait. I also have this lamp. I can put some sun if you need it extra. And then as a final step, I spray this one so it's lots of moisture, and then just clamp it on there. Yeah, let's see how it goes. This is water, by the way, regular tap water here in Sweden. A few weeks later. So they've grown pretty much. Today is 4th of April, and they want to push it out. Yeah, the mint is going slow, and this Kale F1 is slower than the half tall Kale. And the basilica is growing strong. So today is 12th of April 2020, and let's see an update. Yeah, they're growing away here. I should replant them, but I don't have any cups down here, so well, we have to do. But I thought I'd show you. You can see that there's not enough light. They get long steams, and yeah, but they try to survive in this jungle. So today is 13th of April, and it's growing away here. So I'm gonna take some pieces with the scissor. Yeah. So the other one can get some light also. 25th of April, and one has escaped. So it's really wet inside. Pretty full. I'm gonna remove the plastic now, but I might have to cut this one. After removing the cap. Yeah, they're growing away here. So it's the 3rd of May, and got an update. It's starting to grow more now. Here I put some honungsfacelia, don't know the English name, but that's supposed to be good for the bees and so on. They don't know if they long legs. Here we have some beans. Meteor Pisum sativum, some from Nelson Garden. Let's see what we get there. And then here we have some more kale, half tall, and Capitan F1. Here I think we have perhaps mint, small little baggers. Here we haven't gotten any. Well, that's an update. Let's see the roots. Yeah, pretty white. Could use some more oxygen, but